If you image evidence devices to target files on a network server or storage drive, you can benefit from highly customizable and flexible target file templates. Automatically create complex subfolder paths and file names with a couple of clicks, according to your internal naming conventions. Say you want to image a bunch of drives into E01 files in a network folder like this, with subfolders for the current year, then month, then your department name, and finally the case ID. A file name must contain day, source device model, and serial in the current time. Here's how to do it in TaskForce. Click Image and select a source drive. Next, on the Select Target Devices panel, switch to the File tab and find the Templates section. Click Add Template to configure a new naming pattern. First, let's name our new template. Then select a target folder. It can be located either on a network server or on a storage drive, connected directly to TaskForce. Now the real fun begins. Let's create a subfolder path and file name using variables. Here's our pattern for subfolders: year, month, department name, and case ID. For nested folders, we'll use a /. Next, we configure the file names. We need the current day, source device model and serial, then the current time in 24 hours format. As you see, variables are highlighted in pale green, which helps you spot them easily. Here are all the variables you can use for subfolder paths and file names. They include current date and time, case ID, drive model, and serial. Now let's configure other target file types and their parameters. Hash method and compression for AFF4, segment size and compression for E01. By using templates, you can automatically fill in the repetitive file metadata, such as case ID, investigator's name, and more. Or you can choose to fill in metadata manually every time you create a target file. All the parameters are set, so we can click Create. Our new template appeared on the Select Target Devices panel, and that's when the real magic happens. As you click on a template, it instantly creates a folder with all the dynamic subfolders you need, as well as a properly named image file. As easy as that. The great thing is that templates work for both physical and logical imaging, and Express Mode supports them too.